What's going on, social camera? This is your boy E. Hitch Jr. coming at you live in living color here in Atlanta, Georgia. Just giving you guys an update. Just want to be the first to let you guys know ADE is coming soon to a theater near you, to a venue near you, to a city near you. We just doing it all. Still not gonna tell you what ADE is yet, but just want to keep you guys excited about it as well as I am. And just know that New York, I'm coming to see you guys soon. Nigeria, working on that, coming to see y'all soon. And Savannah, even though you way out there too, I'm showing y'all love too and support. Georgia, we're definitely going to do it big, and I'm definitely doing it big for Salisbury, Maryland. To all those who don't know, that's where I'm from, and that's who I'm representing now. Again, I love all you guys for all the love and support you've given me thus far in my career and the things that I'm doing. And I just want to thank God for allowing me yet to see another day, because without Him, I wouldn't be where I am today. Just, working on some things, thanking God for the things coming soon, and the things that you guys have yet to see. Amazing things in the work. I don't know what else to say at this point, but I'm thankful, I'm blessed, and I want all you guys to be much encouraged, stay encouraged. And if you're not doing something that's productive that you enjoy doing, it's time to change your outlook on life, because you should always be doing something that you enjoy doing, whether it be work, whether it be having a good time, whatever it is that you find yourself doing that is not bringing happiness, change that thing so you can achieve the happiness that you deserve and desire, because God put us on this earth to live and love, and if you can't do both, then hey, you need to find out what's going on with in your world. Again, I love you all. Be blessed. Stay posted to my social cam. Follow me so you can see what I'm doing, to see what's going on. This is one of your official CEOs coming at you live in the living color yet again from Atlanta, Georgia. I love you. Be blessed. Peace, and I'm out.